Hello, everyone. I'm Jeanette Matthews. I'm in Dr. McCabe's class. And the name of this theme is Professional Disposition of Learners. The disposition of qualities that I possess are motivation. I enjoy motivating the kids a whole lot. I am a team player. I like to get involved with the teachers and the lesson plans and getting doing lesson assignments with the kids. And I like being very creative. I'm very creative when it comes down to putting bulletin boards together, seasonal bulletin boards. And I also enjoy listening to the kids in the classroom, listening to their needs and their wants, and just trying to encourage them and motivate them into doing a lot of their assignments and just being a good team player. I also enjoy working with the teachers on a regular and daily basis. Now, one of the downfalls that I have is not getting involved with the community. I need to get more involved with the parents and the children and in their community to get a better understanding of what the community is like and how they work in the communities. And I think some of the qualities that professional educators should possess is being respectful. Being respectful in the classroom is one of the most important things I think a teacher can possess. Also, being a good leader or a good team player. Because if you're a good leader and a good team player, that gives you the opportunity to teach and to work around people under you and above you that has authority, and you very comfortable with working and communicating with everybody. Also, good people skills. If you have good people skills, you can go almost anywhere, talk, conversate with people, with the parents of the students, and just get involved as well as with the community. You have to have patience. I think having patience is another good quality educators should possess because we're dealing with different behaviors and personalities of the kids, and sitting down and listening and having patience with the kids is another good quality that I think we should have. Also, having social and emotional skills. We deal with different types of kids and different personalities on a regular basis. And when you have the good empathy or communication and want to listen and give them opportunity to talk and express themselves, that's another good quality that an educator should have. So those are qualities that good educators should have. And I think also we should learn how to keep things confidential. When a student or a parent will come to you in confidence, I think we should just be able to listen to them, keep things at a minimum, and try to keep things confidential and private. Also, we need to learn to abide by the policy of the school. There are school policies that's in place, and we must learn them and work under the policies. So let's just try to be a good educator.